This vaccine is back to your arms, the ticket on for two. A mother cat donate to your kitten by toss of the kitten. Like and link to the video will be the description below. Go and check them out. So let's introduce this vaccine 3, 2, 1.
Through the storms and the burning sky, faces fade, but love won't die. Years have whispered secrets near, yet your voice is all I hear. Mountains rose, but hearts stay true. Every path still leads to you. Letters lost in winds that cry, but your name's a northern light. Across the miles, across the pain, through the fire, through the rain. Hands will find what time has missed. A love that waits, a love like this.
And drop a like if you want to see more reaction like this. Drop a like. Happy birthday.
In the quiet of endless nights, dreams would dance in borrowed light. Maps would blur and stars would fade, yet the promise never swayed. Through the echoes, through the haze, I still search in endless maze. What was broken now is whole,
Sweet
bound by
reunion.
threads of fragile soul.
That was back to your arms, the ticket on for two. A mother cat donate to your kitten by toss of the kitten. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So drop a like if you like, and comment below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new, and click the bell so you can be notified when I upload in my bye.